He called on us for help.
So you see, science has found a way to cure insomnia. Now all he has to do is find a way to cure his headache. Hey, who's snoozing while the professor's giving a lecture down there? It's a... Ooh, how about that? That's my own foot went to sleep. Ooh, shame on you snoring while your daddy is talking. But what am I getting excited? It's not the first time that anyone snored during one of my lectures. As a matter of fact, I got probably one of the greatest collection of snores from an audience that anyone has ever seen. Became so popular I had to put an album together called Snore Along with Ludwig. I would like you to hear one of the records for the album right now, would you?